So today we are restoring my headlights and we're removing the haze, but we're also changing out the bulbs because one of them is out and I did not want to get pulled over. The last time this was done was 8 months ago by our friend Rudy, who did the wrap on my car. So yeah, it needs it. It looks like crap. Just no. So it's nice and gloomy and cold outside today, so that's gonna be very fun to do this. The weather in Texas right now is wild, but let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna attempt this brand. I don't know if it's called foreign. I have no idea. No idea. This is some weird brand. I'm sure it's not like the best. I don't know. So we're gonna attempt this. Great, and it has zip ties. I'm just kidding. I mean, they look nice. They look fancy as fuck. Sorry, excuse my language. So, we're gonna see how long they last. They had really good reviews. I mean, I don't know, guys. We'll see. I'm sure that'd be better than what I have now, so. Anyway. Okay, so for this next part, to do your restoration, I'm missing one thing, and that is the spray paint, which is UV resistant and non-yellowing. I could not find that anywhere, so I had to order it. So you're gonna need the alcohol, water, tape, a bag, 4 600 and 2000 grit. If your headlights are super like yellow, like a yellow haze, you start off with a 400, then the 6, and then 2000. If it's not super yellow, you can start off at 6 and then so on. The bag is to tape off around your headlights once you spray paint on the clear coat. The alcohol is going to be used for after you use the 4 and 600, so that way you don't have any kind of, what's the term? Oh my gosh. Pretty much trash, anything that's left over, and then you start using 2000 grit. So let's get started. All right, the spray paint came in. Clear coat, non-yellowing, UV resistant. So we'll see how long this works for. Does everyone else's sound still do that for the headlights? Mine does. I hope you can hear me because it's windy and you know, with the sound and all. Alright, so here's our 400. You're going to constantly get in the sweat. Start off with a circular motion. As you can see, it's kind of yellow, not like terrible, so. So once you're done doing the circular motion, you're gonna wipe down your gonna go.
Why is it going?
Your 600. And now, before you go to the 2000 grit, as a reminder, make sure to clean it off with alcohol. Get any residue off. Okay, and now we do the 2000 grit. Before you start scraping, again, wipe down alcohol before you do that. Okay, to take these out, there are some tabs on the sides, and they're a pain in the butt to take out, so now there is a little retainer in here. Be careful. See it? I'm gonna push and come towards you. And come off.